Hello everyone, in this video we'll do the unboxing and review of this mini wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter. I sourced this from Amazon for rupees 4,000. So let's go ahead and unbox the unit. It came in a box like this. So this is one of those wireless adapters from China that enables wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. The market is filled with adapters like this, and let's go ahead and see how well it performs and if there's any lag during the day-to-day operations, how well the voice commands work. And we'll test it out with my iPhone 15 Pro as well as a Samsung S24 Ultra. Comes with a quick start guide and the adapter. It's very small footprint, size of a pen drive, slightly wider. Comes in a gold plated USB port, the USB A port, and you also get additional adapters for converting from a USB A port to a C port. Some cars have a USB C port these days, so you can plug this adapter in, and you also have a very small female to male converter. So this is all what you get in the package. Guys, so testing time. Let me plug the device to my Honda Jazz, which has the stock infotainment unit. Once you plug the device, you will get this notification on the screen prompting you to turn on the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your phone for pairing, in that order. So on my phone, I turn on the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Now you should see a new device called wireless adapter 2AE3. Connect to it and pair the device with your phone. Allow the contacts and favorites to be synced. You should get a prompt for connecting to CarPlay. Press on connect and that's it. The device would pair with your phone and you should get wireless CarPlay up and running. The status would go from connected to disconnected, so don't worry about that. Now let me show you how long it takes to pair the device with the system and get it started when you unlock the car and start driving. So there you go. It takes about 25 to 30 seconds, which is very good. Nearly the same time the system starts after you press the start button. So there is a very minimal microsecond lag, which is negligible. That's there in almost all systems I've come across, including the factory fitted units from Hyundai and Kia. Now let's go for a drive to show you the Google Maps is functioning. Guys, so you can see that there is no lag on the movement of the vehicle on the Google Maps as I drive. In the 1 hour that I drove from my home to our shipyard, I did not see any lags at all whatsoever. Okay, now let's test the voice control using Siri. Send a message over WhatsApp to show me.
What would you like to say to show me?
Hi, I'm running late today. I'll give you a ring as soon as I reach the guest house.
Your WhatsApp message says, "Hi, I'm running late today. I'll give you a ring as soon as I reach the guest house." Send it?
Go ahead.
Done.
You saw how well the voice control worked. Again, no lags there. Okay, now let me show you how well Amazon Music works. Can you see that small lag there when I change the track and the app actually changing it to the next track? Now let's try that once more. So there's a very small negligible lag there. Now, same goes when you press the play and pause button. There's a very small lag. Okay, now let's go to... I usually don't listen to Spotify because of the ads. I prefer Amazon Music. The lag is present in Spotify too. You stole my heart of gold. So that is as far as the testing with the iPhone goes. Now let's test it with an Android device. I have Rohit's Samsung S24 Ultra here. Let's do the connectivity part first. Repeat the steps as before. Turn on Wi-Fi and followed by Bluetooth. Select wireless adapter from Bluetooth devices and complete the pairing request. The device should now connect, but it took a wee bit longer than it did with my iPhone. Check out this startup time test video. So there you go, almost the same time, or maybe just a second or two longer. Oh, sorry guys, I'll get hit with a copyright strike, but that is as far as the Android Auto connectivity is concerned. The device also has an RGB status LED that keeps changing the color gradually, as I've shown here. I have increased the playback speed here, but you'll get an idea. During the 1 hour drive from my home to the shipyard, the device got lukewarm to touch. I just thought I should mention that aspect as well here. Guys, so summing up, if your car natively supports wired Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, and if you're looking at saving the everyday hassle of plugging in the cable when you step into your car, you can consider buying this device that saves a lot of hassle. Yes, there is a microsecond lag when you listen to Amazon Music or Spotify, when you're changing tracks or when you're playing and pausing a track, but it is very much livable and it's not a deal breaker. And the price of this device that I paid was rupees 4,000 in Amazon, and moving forward it will come down as is the case with most electronic devices. So that'll be all. Thank you so much. I hope this video was useful. Let me know if you have any queries and I'd be glad to answer them. I'll see you in yet another video. Bye and take care.